Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Yes.
कन्वर्टर कैमरा ऑन है ऑफ है?
बंद है।
Hello, hello.
So, hello and welcome. I am Birendra Rawat. I'm here to introduce you about the Virtual Learning Day for the educators. And I hope that maximum people have joined, and you will be next 1.5 hour. We'll be discussing about what virtual learning is and how we can enhance the horizons of the virtual learning, and how our teachers are doing great, and what you are doing at your area, and how many students you have inspired to transit from the regular schooling to virtual learning. So there are a number of teachers who have done great work, and they've shared a great stories with us, and we'll be honoring them today. So this is that we are here to
Hello, carry on, sir. Carry on.
we are here to discuss everything all about your role and our role and future of virtual learning in coming days. So first of all, okay, why we have done this and why we are here in this today, and why we have selected 22nd of October as a virtual learning day. This is the first virtual learning day are celebrated and first time on the planet. And you are the first attendee who are attending the virtual learning day. And we as a Green Mentor are the creator of the virtual learning day. And why we have created and what is the reason behind it, we'll share more about it. So this is for educator, not for student. If a student are there, so we advise you to your session start at 3:30 or 4:30 to 6. So any student will be attending will be barring him to attend the session, because this is for the educators, and all discussion will be at the point of educator point of view. So here that we as a Green Mentor has started online program, especially the STEM program, immediate after the lockdown. And we have connected more than 10 million students worldwide during last 6 months through our various STEM program. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and maths. So we have learned that student has learned a lot of new things during these days and during this challenging environment, and they have innovative lot of learning idea at their home also, and these their stories are very inspiring. And similarly, the educator, especially in India, we have adopted online learning very fast. It was like unimaginable. We thought that the teacher was just waiting for this, how to go online faster. So COVID has forced us to go online, and when we have started online, so every teacher has innovated the online teaching pedagogies, the evaluation pedagogies, and lot of things, the assignment and the task and the communication between the educator and teachers, and lot of things has been changed. So there are many teachers, including you, who have uh, transformed the whole learning process, and you are the first people who are recognized and honored on today for your contribution toward virtual learning, and you have increased and enhanced the whole horizon of the virtual learning, and you have transited seamlessly without making any compromise on learning outcome from regular schooling to virtual schooling. And there are a lot of innovative ideas and technology and platforms are available to communicate with the student, but the pedagogies, the communication style, the content, it is totally depend on the educators. So that's why we have decided, let's honor at least few educators who are doing great on this day. So that's why we have decided to honor the virtual learner and virtual educators. So virtual educators award is a great honor in the learning community or academic fraternity or educator communities, because it is a new way of thinking the world, and it is a new way of thinking the education, and it is a new way of thinking the future. So you have transformed yourself, your ideas, your pedagogy, the way you think, the way you teach, and the way you are making impact around you. So we have tried to document your stories, and we have this morning till this morning many stories, and we are documenting them, and will be publishing very soon your stories to the learner and to the other educators in different part of the world. We work worldwide in many countries, but this award is very limited for the Indian educators. We have not received any entry, and we have not allowed other countries to participate in this award and this story, because we want that let's first understand and honor the Indian educator, and to present them the world. Yes, my teacher has done great, and the teacher from Africa, teacher from America, teacher from Europe can also learn from you. So this is the way we have tried to uh, present your story, to understand your story, and to the world. So today we'll be starting our presentation with our organization, what we are doing and how we are transforming uh, conventional education into the virtual education, and how we can, our activities can impact your life. So I'll say, start my presentation. Uh, This, I think. So this is our presentation for today, what we are doing as a green mentor and how we can impact your life and whole education system in India. This is our introduction. We are the United Nations General Assembly award-winning organization. We are based in India.
It is not.
Huh?
It is not.
Sure. So, right, I think we need to repeat it. We have associated with the City University of New York and Australian government to start a lot of STEM program, and that this program has inspired students to remain positive and learn maximum while they are at home. Now we have those, especially students who were in the K to 5, they could not connected online. So we have launched the homeschooling programs, and we have inspired their parent to become teacher and to teach their family values, family relationships, family cultures, family business, and everything about family to connect, to inspire student to continue the learning. And it was very good response from the across the world. And there are students who are very innovative, and we have launched the global design thinking challenge for the students who are innovative. We have given them 10 tasks. One is the herbal sanitizer, how to make herbal sanitizer, how to make cough catcher, how to check health, how to prepare the food for immunity, and how to stay safe at home, and how to have hands-off technology, and how to create the contactless currencies, and how to have healthy delivery, because delivery was disrupted. People are not allowing delivery boy to come to deliver the goods, and how to maintain the emotional well-being at home. So these things, students have responded very well, and their ideas are very innovative, and we have honored them. We've given them certificate, and we've shared their ideas to the world. After that, there are some states where we started opening the schools, but parents are not ready, still not ready to send their children at school, because parents feel that when the child will come back home in the evening or afternoon, he or she may bring the virus back to home, and he or she may get infected. So we have launched the hygiene and infection control audit to the schools, and we have inspected and audited many schools and certified them as a safe school, because without safety, a student cannot learn fearlessly, and learning must be fearless. So we have continued the fearless learning during the testing time. After that, we have the first organization. We have launched the National Conference on Hygiene and Infection Control for schools and universities, and many educators and solution providers, doctors from across the world, and policymakers from United Nations, UNESCO, universities and college, and Institute of Public Health. They have joined the conference, and they've shared their view how to make our learning space more safer, home more safe, and the working spaces more safe. And we've shared our conference detail with the government and NGO and many companies. After that, who will be doing this? We are the first organization who have launched the diploma in hygiene and infection control during the lockdown, and we have trained more than 50 auditors online. So these auditors are now available for you and for your school, for your organization, to certify your school as a safe school, as a infection-free schools. So these are our educators, these are our auditors, those who are the certified auditors for infection and hygiene control for schools and universities. And this program was associated with the Indus University. They have certified the program. So we are the first organization who has contributed a lot for the education during the lockdown, and provided every possible solution to make learning safe and fearless. Apart from that, we have also provided the herbal treated antibacterial cotton face mask to the student, teachers, and parents, and to stay safe at home. These face masks are totally herbal and antibacterial, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-odor, antifungal, anti-dust, and anti-pollution. And this has no impact on your health. So every man and woman, child can wear it, and they can feel safe everywhere they go. And this is totally 100% cotton, no impact on the planet. after that, there was a student who wanted to join other countries program in this lockdown period. So we have introduced the middle school program from grade 6th, 7th, 8th student India, so they can study the American curriculum online. So we have trained many teachers as a certified educator for Indian students. So curriculum was provided by Arizona State University and teachers provided by Indian organization like Green Mentor. We have trained many teachers, and now these teachers are training American curriculum across the India online, and these students will be certified as a American certificate holder. Uh, the many teachers want to become the ASU Prep Digital Educator. We have selected teachers from these profile. The teacher possesses the global academic vision, find inspiration and express positivity, use heart and talent in teaching, makes a difference in everyday, transform student lives, create a reflection and embrace changes, believes in academic equity and excellence, and have well exercised moral compass. These were the teachers we have selected, and these teachers are doing great in these times. So the teacher mostly earn around $13,500 per annum. Those student teacher having around 30 batch for 6th, 7th, 8th classes. So we have transformed the lives of many teachers by connecting them with overseas curriculum or international curriculums. So these teachers are doing great at this time. This is the certificate of the certified teachers. And after that, the students who are studying in the grade 9 to 12th, we have introduced the US High School Diploma to them. So the student can continue US High School curriculum along with the Indian school curriculum. So this curriculum, is taught by American teacher, and curriculum from America, teacher from American, student from India. So student have started taking US High School Diploma. Those students who want to go America for their higher education. So the US High School Diploma is fully integrated diploma program that allows students to take at least 6 credit from ASUPD and 18 credit from the Indian schools. So schools. Students have a choice to take classes from ASUPD to fulfill the graduation requirement from both US and home country India. Upon completion of the program, student will receive two high school diploma from high school credits transcription from ASUPD. And ASUPD classes are integrated so that students don't have to repeat classes taken at schools, home school. If a student is learning maths here, so he will learn same math there, so he can be the syllabus can be revised and his credit can be earned. So receiving US High School diploma that can be applied toward college application. So, and Indian students are invited to join US High School diploma along with their studies in grade 12 here in India. And Indian students can complete diploma from 1 year to 4 years. So this is the course content. If a student is enrolled for US High School diploma, so he has to learn minimum 6 subjects. So if he take from the grade 9, so he will have English, math, science, and social science from Indian school, and 2 subjects from the American curriculum. And grade 10th, he will have the math, science, computer science, social science, PHE from Indian curriculum CBSE, and 1 subject from America. And in the grade 10th, he will have the Hindi, English language, maths, biology, accountancy according to commerce and science, and 1 subject from the ASU. And in the grade 12th, he will have the same 1 subject from ASU. And after completing 6 subject and 6 credit, student will get the US High School diploma. So if a student are getting US High School diploma, if you want to go higher studies for US, so he don't need to go for TOEFL and he don't need to go for SAT. He can go directly entry to US universities. And during this 4 year, he can go 6 months to study physically at Arizona State University while in school. So this is the benefit of Indian students. So they can study American curriculum while learning in Indian curriculum in India. So this is the things we have done during the lockdown. Now coming on this COVID-19 response. In a planet ravaged by coronavirus, virtual learning has emerged as a new normal for 300 million students across the world. While the virtual education is the best crisis management solution today, it is also a roadmap of what the future will look like. Suddenly, a much underutilized supplementary option in the new normal, as school and higher education institutions are increasingly adapting to this mode. New age students are motivated and curious a lot. They are hands-on with their tablets, mobile phone, and so the online transition for learner is seamless. Beside live learning classes, technology like Blackboard or Zoom session, Skype call allows regular interaction with the teachers. The teaching staff has emerged as an equally proactive a lot, who wasted no time to learn new technology, to instruct the classroom and give online lecture anytime. The teachers as well as the student have adopted the anytime learning flexibility and to decide their time and the pace. So the virtual learning day. So virtual learning day was created by Green Mentor, our organization, a global sustainable research organization, to celebrate the power of virtual learning after successfully connecting more than 10 million students virtually worldwide during COVID-19 lockdown. This day is dedicated to virtual learner community worldwide, with the official date focusing on a significant achievement made through virtual learning. So we are celebrating this achievement made through virtual learning today. Virtual Learning Day showcases how students of all ages are thriving with the ability to learn virtually anywhere and anytime. Virtual Learning Day seeks to cultivate awareness of support for this ever-growing community of virtual learners to celebrate the future of our virtual learning wherever the technology and our imagination takes us. Virtual Learning Day is for everyone. Virtual Learning Day provide convenient and personalization for every learner from preschool through high school to college or beyond. Whether in a traditional blended learning or virtual classroom, virtual learners broaden their horizons to achieve their learning goals through virtual classes. So Green Mentor brings together all virtual learning communities, like including learners, educators, solution provider, policymaker, parents, and technology provider, to share their success stories, celebrate the power of virtual learning. Please do not interfere on screen. It is not good practice. You are educator, and it will force us to block you. So let others know how you have succeeded with the virtual learning while adhering to guidelines of your favorite social media channel. Post a pic or comment, celebrate the teachers, or share a future of resources. Don't forget to include the hashtag virtual learning. So please share it, social media, let your student to celebrate you, because it gives a power to your student to celebrate the way you are teaching them. Please remove these. So Green Mentor has created Virtual Learning Award to bring more honor, respect, and power to virtual learning community, including learning community to app developer, connecting providers. Virtual Learning Award intend to inspire the learners, make seamless transition from the regular schooling to virtual learning, and Virtual Educator Award intend to promote and broaden the horizons of virtual teaching. So I need to stop share here because, and I need to again do that because there are a number of students who are not. I was not expecting this from the educator. Anyway, we are here in India. We have also designed the special T-shirts for the awardees and people who are associated with the virtual education. These T-shirts are exclusive design for the inspiring virtual educator who are broadening the horizons of virtual teaching. And these T-shirts are made from 100% cotton material, having power of herbal treatment, dyed with natural colors that brings comfort, less infection, and less radiation while you are teaching virtually. These T-shirts bring more honor, respect to the virtual educator and considered as a symbol of great respect in the teaching learning community. Fraternity T-shirts are available in small, medium, large, and XL for male and female. So you can order it. This is the cost associated with this. We'll send a order form so you can order the T-shirt of your size. This is learners, students. This is the code of conduct you can share with your student because to keep virtual learning more effective. So these are code of conduct for student. There is no code of conduct for educators because educators are already. We have also launched the Virtual Learning Alliance, and if you're a teacher, the Virtual Learning Alliance is a network of virtually connected student educators, curriculum developers, technology solution provider, learning app developers, and connectivity, internet service providers, and we'll keep meeting through webinars, social media, and regularly. The focus area is curriculum mapping and planning, and then learning engagement and administration, communication and collaboration, real-time communication, interactive online whiteboard, and the membership fee is corporate, professional is 200, educators around we have 2,000 or SP, and you can only 1,500, so you can become a member if you wish to. So thank you. This was my presentation. I'm ending my presentation here. It is 3:30. Where that time is up. Now we'll be happy to listen your inspiring stories.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now after listening from you, we'll be announcing the awards. So I request you to share your stories. So any educator want to share his or her story, how she has transformed, what challenges he or she has faced, and how successfully they are now doing the virtual teaching.
Hello, sir. I'm Surabhi Shantanu. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Very good afternoon to everyone
afternoon.
present there.
Yes.
Well, I'm Surabhi Shantanu, and earlier I worked in engineering college as a senior lecturer in departments of electronics and telecommunication.
Right.
But for last 8 years, I have been working for early learning, and I have been in a software. I have been in a software like Brill Kids, but for last 4 years, I've started teaching coding. Just a second, I'll start my video. Hold on a second, please. Okay. Hello, am I visible? Yeah.
Yes,
so last 4 years, I have started teaching coding. It started with my son and gradually moved towards taking more batches. Now, the speed of continuous digital evolution in recent times, it actually left me wondering if our traditional subjects hold a forte in the future. I was curious and I was motivated. So I started searching for technology-related subjects and ideas that can be introduced to young kids at very early age. And that to make them future ready. I found a very fun way of project-based content in MIT Scratch and Tinker. And then I developed my own curriculum and started teaching block-based coding and a project-based coding in a challenging but fun way for the kids that does not pressurize them.
Great.
And while kids make interesting projects and have fun doing it, as a parent and a teacher, I incorporate a base of science, EVS, and mathematics for my projects in my curriculum. My focus was on block-based coding while improvising on their logical reasoning and design thinking, while experimenting with their creativity and abstract mathematical concepts. This gives shapes to the virtual learning, a meaning to the virtual learning. I started teaching codingly privately, but this COVID times made me rethink and motivated me to join Camp K12 as a teacher. Now I have experience of around 700 plus hours of conducting online classes during last 6 months. So we have adjusted to new virtual phenomena, and also government has made coding as a mandate in new education policy.
Yes, now it's part of
So
education. Yeah.
yes, sir. And along with these classes, I also organize monthly hackathon for kids that enucleates the power of vision, creativity, and the camaraderie among the kids. So last hackathon theme was actually very good. It was based on United Nations SDGs. I can share the details and the meetings with you soon.
Yes.
So kids made projects based on this UN SDG 12 and 13. Recycling and climate change.
Yes.
They made stories, games, animations. So what I'll say is at the end that EduTech is here to stay. When we incorporate our traditional teaching is incorporated with the digital evolution, it's a very powerful combination.
Yes.
So as we adapt to the new normal of a virtual teaching and learning, we look forward for new platform and teachers. And we need some softwares actually, in which it is easy for us to communicate with the kids when there are multiple kids. So while we are doing that, I'll request all to include the child safety features in our platforms. And well, to end it, I'm eager to contribute to this new evolving revolution. That's all from my side.
You're most welcome. So any
Thank
other educator, please share your story.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, most welcome, Prasanji.
Yeah. Hello, I am Dr. Prashant,
Yes.
and I am an educator. You can say as I'm working as an educationist from last 9 years. Basically, I'm working in two sectors.
Yes, go ahead. Your audio is not coming.
Of cosmic neurons, and we are in this corona period we have come across and we have developed something known as innovative career guidance, where we educate, we guide the students with 3 parameters. So our parameter for career guidance basically is, first of all, we come up with inborn talent of the client. We see the inborn talent, then we see the acquired skill. Something which you are carrying from the birth, from the genesis, is known as talent. And on the other hand, everything which a child has learned from the school, from the surrounding, comes under acquired skill. So these 2 parameters acts as a lock and key. Only a lock is not useful, only a key is not useful. If we combine both, we get the hidden potential out. And this potential, these 2 parameters, the output of these 2, when it is combined with the interest, something which is very volatile is interest. A child's interest keep on changing. Today, a child wants to become a pilot. Tomorrow, he wants to become an aeronautical engineer. And day after tomorrow, he wants to become a space scientist. So even in a single field of astronomy or in the field of flying, there may be different sort of interest which a child may pursue, may change. So the counseling has to be done on the inborn talent, which is taken with the help of dermatoglyphics, with the help of fingerprints. On the other hand, we can take out the acquired skill with the interpersonal communication with the child or with the help of a psychometric report. And on the final part, the interest is of the client's own or the child's own. Sir, we have represented this idea as a startup, and we won Udyami Utsav. There is a fest known as Udyami Utsav. There were like 50,000 participants. We won over there as an innovator, and currently we are an incubator under Atal Incubation Center, Niti Aayog, Government of
Great.
India. So we are a part of that. Sir, there is one more thing I want to share. I have been awarded with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award last year because of some of my innovation. I would like to
Great.
share with you.
Yeah.
I have developed a teaching methodology where we basically, since we are teaching each and every student, we see that every child is different. So I have developed something where we can say a child will learn and finally he or she will understand. The process is like, first we have to develop conceptual understanding, deep conceptual understanding, followed by approach development. How you have to solve a question, how you have to solve a MCQ. देखने का नजरिया क्या होना चाहिए क्वेश्चन को, what should be the approach, and then the child lands up with critical thinking. अब बारी आती है कोई भी किताब से पढ़ने की. अगर आपको कोई बुक पढ़नी है, कोई बुक सॉल्व करनी है, जैसे हम कहते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए बहुत सारी बुक सॉल्व करनी होती है, एलन की बुक होती है, बहुत सारी क्लासेस हैं, HC वर्मा हैं, बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. ये सारा पार्ट आता है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग. एंड फाइनली देयर इज लॉजिकल एनालिसिस, जहां पे बच्चा अपना लॉजिक डेवलप करता है. कहने का मतलब क्या होता है, वी स्टार्ट विद द कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी एंड विद द लॉजिक. यानी कि कॉन्सेप्ट किताबी होता है, लॉजिक खुद का होता है. और जो बच्चा लॉजिक बना पाता है, लॉजिक बना लेता है, अगर ये पूरा प्रोसेस वो फॉलो कर ले, वो
I think sir's network is not there. Hello.
इमेजिनेशन आ जाता है, क्रिएटिविटी एंड क्यूरियोसिटी, एवरीथिंग इज डेवलप्ड. तो सर ये जो है मेरा बेसिक दो जो इनोवेशंस मैं लगाता हूँ उस पे काम कर रहा हूँ. और थैंक यू सर.
Hello. Thank you. Now, hello. So I request other educator. Yeah, please go ahead. I request other educator to please share your views. Anyone else? Yes, ma'am. Any teachers? No. So we can go directly to the announcement award. So we are announcing the award immediately for your contribution. Now our list is ready. We'll take 2-3 minutes to come back to you. Krishna Kumari ji, would like to say something?
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yes, very good evening to all. Sir, am I audible to?
Yes, you are audible to me.
Okay, sir, I am working as an educator at DAV Archipram School.
Okay.
And, first of all, I would like to thank Green Mentor and especially Virendra sir for giving me an opportunity to share my virtual story in front of you all.
Right.
Sir, according
Please start your video.
I'll start my video. Okay, sir. Yeah. Okay. First of all, according to me, a pandemic is an unleashed opportunity. It has opened the it's opened us to recognizing the value of a life and importance of our planet. Learning and teaching took on a new meaning altogether with the new tools which came to an aid of school fraternity. Nowadays, like all the teachers are taking the virtual classes, and it's our duty to make our online teaching a very effective. And it's like a blending learning, not only being an educator, it's the role of parents also to teach the students. And we are learning each and every day, we are learning and exploring a new various tools to make our learning more effective. And We conduct classes on Google Meet, and some we have tried Microsoft Teams also, and we use Kahoot and Bamboozle quiz apps, and which makes learning a very much fun with our kids. And being a green mentor, I can see this COVID-19 pandemic has repaired our ozone hole and teamed the seas again, and now animals and birds are claiming their place again now. And first and lastly, COVID-19 has helped us to develop a better survival skills and taught us to embrace a change. And I would like to thank this challenging situation to which helped me to stretch myself and to learn more about technology. Thank you. That's all from my side. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Krishnaji. Thank you, Krishnaji.
Thank you.
So, any other educator? Varsa ji, Aarti ji,
Yes, sir.
Aarti ji, Manish Sharma,
Neha.
Mr. Abdul. Would you like to say something, Mr. Abdul?
I am new. Can I speak, Neha?
Yes, please go ahead.
So, yeah. So I'm Neha, and I just entered into the professional world of teaching last year only, in September 2019. And in March, the pandemic struck, and we had to make the transition to online learning. And so I take maths, as my subject is maths. And the very first challenge that was there for me was, first of all, maths. The children are not very much interested in maths. It's a subject that they find very boring. And then to make the transition to online learning, it was a big challenge. So as a new teacher, when I decided to take up mathematics, I had always had one thing in mind, that I am going to make this subject relatable to the real life. Like, I want to make my students see the beauty of mathematics in everything around them. And when we made the transition to online learning, I did a lot of research on how I can make online learning a win-win situation for both me as well as for my students. So I did some courses. I learned all the apps of the Google Classroom, Google Slides, and I started designing activities on those slides. So we have done a lot of activities in real-time learning. What we do, I never teach maths just with the formulas or with just rote kind of learning. We do a lot of activities. I use nature. I show them plants and I relate maths to everything around us. So I have been using online activities, screen sharing, Kahoot, and Quizlet is one app that I find very interesting. And I track my students' progress on that app. And the transition has been not very smooth, but it has definitely strengthened, or I would say it has definitely enlarged the scope. Like, we have been able to amalgamate the technology in learning, which was initially missing before the pandemic. So I think that's it from my side.
Yeah, Neha ji, you are doing great. I'm sure that you should also join our US curriculum, so you can become our certified teacher for American curriculum. So you can teach overseas student as well as the Indian student online, because the online platform is the only way to the schooling that will take schooling to the next level. So the world is working together. We have trained many teachers, and these training is changing the life of teachers and making them more independent. So in coming days, we are expecting that every student will learning from the educators, and now they will be coming to school for appearing in examinations. Because because the online education gives a lot of opportunity.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I ask something?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yes, ma'am, please go ahead.
Sir, is there an opportunity for is there an opportunity in the online curriculum that you, or the training that you are providing?
Yes. This is online, and this is mostly the teacher has to teach online after the Indian school hours. and evening
Okay,
hours.
so is there opportunity for the coding teachers also?
Yes, a
in which
number of subjects, number of the classes, number of because every student has the opportunity to take subject he or she wants. While in school there are very limited.
because coding is a new
opportunities.
subject actually.
Yes, 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 yes. Coding.
See, the coding
and
is a
the
very new subject and it will be
coding as
become
well as
mandate from
AI.
next year.
Coding as well as AI is also part of the
Mhm.
American curriculum. So there are a lot of opportunities.
So how we can go about it?
We'll
How can we get
communicate with you.
associated or get a training
You can
from
be in
you?
touch with us. We'll share more on this by email. You can share your
Okay.
email ID with us, so we can share more on this. So any other teacher?
Okay, sir. That's wonderful. Thank you, sir.
Jennifer would like to share something. Aarti ji.
Hello.
Yes, Aarti ji.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Ravaji.
Yes, good evening. Most welcome, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. Aarti ji, go ahead. Yes, you are audible. You are audible. Yes, yes.
I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Just hold on.
The video is not working. Yeah.
It's not. I'm not able to watch.
So you can continue your audio. So if video supports is good. Otherwise, your audio. Let's listen.
So it is like we are also following the same thing in our schools, and we have been teaching virtually nowadays with the help of we are following very different ways of virtual teaching. And it was nice hearing you all. I was just hearing, but in between something went wrong with my phone and I go hear somebody's.
But we are getting more friendly with technology gradually. Every day we pass.
Yes, yes. And hopefully we are going to improve more and more.
Yes.
And only that there is a hitch, like in the starting, I also felt that there is a hitch, that the teachers were not ready to teach. But now I think slowly and steadily we are all improving, and it's a need now. And there should be something like courses or something like that, so that everybody can learn through the virtual type of learning process, because it's very important nowadays. So
actually, in other countries, they have offered online teaching pedagogy to their teacher, but still India, the university is not open.
It is still teachers are afraid to go on the Zoom. Teachers are very afraid to, if you tell them to start a new app or something like that. So you have to give proper training to them also and to the children. Though it's very easy for us to give the training to the children, they grasp very easily. But if it comes to the teacher, so we have to hire a person to teach them nowadays. But I think it was just a time period, like when with the time, I think we are going to improve day by day.
Yes, we are going to improve, right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Aarti. Thank you. So any other educator, please go ahead. You want to share, or now we are announcing the Virtual Educator Awards?
Hello. Hello, sir.
Please go ahead. Yes, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Hello, sir. So myself, Anurag Tejas.
Yes.
I'm basically from Bihar state.
Great.
Want to, sir, may I speak in English, Hindi?
Yes,
may I use Hindi language?
Any language, Hindi में बोलिए.
Okay, sir. Okay. सर मैं बेसिकली बिहार का रहने वाला हूँ.
Right.
मैं ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन को लेके और ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म को लेके कुछ बातें जो है अपने स्टेट से लेके और यूपी बिहार और अपने आसपास के जितनी भी स्टेट्स है उनको लेके थोड़ा सा शेयर करना चाहता हूँ.
प्लीज गो.
मैं सर बेसिकली अभी एमबीबीएस स्टूडेंट हूँ. एमबीबीएस कर रहा हूँ 4th ईयर में फिलहाल.
Great.
मैं एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन में जब अपने घर गया हुआ था, तो वहाँ जब लॉकडाउन होने के बाद मैं एक्चुअली दिल्ली में स्टार्टिंग से रहता था, लेकिन मैं बीच में गांव चला गया था। तो वहाँ बच्चों ने मेरे को फोर्स करा कि सर अभी आप तो दिल्ली आ नहीं सकते, तो हमें ऑनलाइन जो है एजुकेशन अगर आप दे सकते हो, क्लासेस दे सकते हो सर ऑनलाइन। कोशिश बहुत करी और फिर जैसे तैसे मैंने जूम अरेंज करा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे नेटवर्क इशू वगैरह भी बहुत चीज़ें थी। पर स्पाइट ऑफ दैट मैंने कोशिश करी और अरेंज करा, फिर क्लासेस देनी स्टार्ट करी। फिर उसमें जुड़ते जुड़ते बच्चे मेरे अलग अलग स्टेट से जुड़ने स्टार्ट हो गए हैं। मैं बेसिकली केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी पढ़ाता हूँ 11th-12th के बच्चों को, और मेडिकल बच्चों के इस पर उनको प्रिपरेशन कराता हूँ नीट वगैरह के लिए, जेई के लिए। तो सर मैंने एक चीज़ जो है ऑनलाइन क्लास में बड़ी चीज़ों से मतलब काफ़ी रिसर्च के बाद एक चीज़ समझने की कोशिश करी मैंने, कि ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का एक बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज भी है। और इस कोविड कंडीशन और लॉकडाउन कंडीशन से एक चीज़ हम सबको ये सीखने को मिल गई कि वी हैव द ग्रेट ऑप्शन ऑफ द ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म की अगर हम बात करें तो हमारे पास एक ग्रेट ऑप्शन है, एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन मिला हमें। ये बहुत पहले से था, लेकिन हमें जो इस चीज़ के बारे में पता लगा वो हमें अब पता लगा कि हाँ ये इस चीज़ को हम अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। और ये एक ऐसा चीज़ है कि हम एक जगह पे बैठे बैठे बहुत सारे स्ट्रेंथ को हैंडल आउट कर सकते हैं। ऑफलाइन में हम एक जगह पे बैठे बैठे कुछ लिमिटेड बच्चों को ही अपने साथ जोड़ सकते हैं या अपने साथ उन्हें कोऑपरेट कर सकते हैं, बट लेकिन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए हम काफ़ी दूर दूर से बच्चों को भी, हो सकते हैं कि ऐसे बहुत नीडी बच्चे हैं जो ऑफलाइन कोचिंग अफोर्ड नहीं करते या ऑफलाइन क्लासेस अफोर्ड नहीं करते, लाइक एलन, आकाश जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट इतने कॉस्टली हैं। तो उनके लिए अगर एजुकेशन हम ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक अच्छे तरीके से विद डिजिटल मोड अगर हम इन सब चीज़ों को लेके एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ जाते हैं, तो आई थिंक सर इट विल बी अ ग्रेट रिवोल्यूशन इन आवर एजुकेशन हिस्ट्री, स्पेशली बिहार लाइक स्टेट और यूपी लाइक स्टेट। यस सर।
यस यस, एक्चुअली द गोल ऑफ हमने एक जो वर्चुअल एजुकेटर अलायंस का जो कंस्टिट्यूट करने का पर्पज यही है कि जो लोग भी बच्चों को ऑनलाइन एजुकेट करना चाहते हैं, दे कैन गो एंड वी कैन गो अप टू रिमोट एरिया, बिकॉज इन द अर्बन एरिया लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर एक्सेसिबल, but especially in the government school students who are located in a remote area, they need our support more than anyone, and virtual learning can bring the equality among the students.
जी बिल्कुल। Okay sir, that's it.
All right, so thank you for sharing. I'm sure that we will be in touch.
Welcome sir.
Yeah. Any other educator?
नमस्कार सर।
यस प्लीज गो अहेड। या
नमस्कार जी।
नमस्कार नमस्कार, बोलिए।
मैं जीलाल धीमान, जेबीटी जीपीएस गोडाउन एजुकेशन ब्लॉक रामसर डिस्ट्रिक्ट हिमाचल प्रदेश से बात कर रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ जी बोलिए।
सर ये वर्चुअल जो लर्निंग है, दैट इज अ गुड वे ऑफ लर्निंग टू स्टूडेंट्स एंड अदर्स।
वर्चुअल लर्निंग ये है कि जो लोग इंटरेस्टेड है वही लोग इससे कनेक्टेड होते हैं, जो लोग सीखना चाहते हैं और जो लोग सिखाना चाहते हैं। तो वर्चुअल लर्निंग में आप किसी को फोर्सफुली कनेक्ट नहीं कर सकते।
नहीं
वर्चुअल लर्निंग में स्टूडेंट ओनली कनेक्टेड व्हेन ही और शी हैज इंटरेस्ट, एंड एजुकेटर भी वही कनेक्ट होता है जिसको पढ़ाने में इंटरेस्ट होता है। हाँ, तो वर्चुअल लर्निंग जो हमारी गुरु शिष्य परंपरा है उसको वापस आने का एक अच्छा सा माध्यम है। अगर हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़ा रहे हैं तो 30 से 35 बच्चे या 40 बच्चे होते हैं, तो कई स्टूडेंट को इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, फिर भी उनको जबरदस्ती बैठना पड़ता है।
जी।
व्हाइल इन वर्चुअल लर्निंग आप एनी टाइम एनीवेयर यू कैन लर्न, एनीवेयर। आप कहीं से भी, आप हिमाचल में हैं, अमेरिका में हैं, तो आप किसी से भी, या किसी को मैथ सीखना है या लैंग्वेज सीखना है या हिस्ट्री सीखनी है, तो जो भी एक्सपर्ट है वो अपना एक्सपर्टीज व्यू को स्टूडेंट के साथ शेयर कर सकता है। बेस्ट वे। एंड इंडियन एजुकेटर के लिए मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि हम लोग भाग्यशाली हैं कि भारत के जो शिक्षक है पूरी दुनिया में सबसे सम्मान उनको मिलता है, और हर देश में भारत के शिक्षकों की बहुत डिमांड है। और हम लोग बहुत सारे देशों में इसलिए नहीं जा पाते थे कि हमारा वीजा मिलना या रहने की व्यवस्था या खाने की व्यवस्था, बहुत सारी बैरियर आते थे कि हम लोग नहीं जा पाते थे, और उनको हम लोग अपना ज्ञान नहीं दे पाते थे।
जी।
यस सर, मैं आपसे एग्री करती हूँ रावत जी, बिल्कुल। क्योंकि मेरे पास स्टूडेंट्स हैं कैलिफोर्निया के, मेरे पास स्टूडेंट्स हैं नागपुर से, मेरे पास छोटे गांव से स्टूडेंट्स हैं, शहरों से स्टूडेंट्स हैं, और दूर देश से भी। एक्चुअली एक तरह से हम लोग कनेक्ट हो गए हैं।
जी
तो ये जो भारत के शिक्षकों के लिए सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप आज किसी भी देश में किसी भी करिकुलम को पढ़ा सकते हैं। हम लोग वी वर्क मोर देन 20 कंट्रीज, हम लोगों को बहुत सारे करिकुलम को हम लोग क्या नाम है सपोर्ट करते हैं। तो
जी
मोस्टली जो मैथ है, साइंस है, सोशल साइंसेज है, वो हर एक कंट्री का सेम है। खासकर हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी हर एक कंट्री के अलग अलग है, उनके जो गवर्नेंस मॉडल है। माना आप अमेरिकन की स्टूडेंट को पढ़ाते हैं
जी
तो वहाँ आपको 2 सब्जेक्ट और लर्न करने पड़ेंगे, अमेरिकन हिस्ट्री और अमेरिकन गवर्नमेंट। जो हाँ, लेकिन मैथ्स और साइंस हमारा उनसे अच्छा है और
अच्छा है, सही बात।
काफी हाँ, तो हमारे टीचरों के लिए ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन और वर्चुअल एजुकेशन सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि हम लोग दुनिया के, चाहे अफगानिस्तान हो, चाहे कोरिया हो, चाहे वो अफ्रीका हो या लैटिन अमेरिका हो, हाँ, ये है कि हमको उनकी भाषा को सीखना पड़ेगा। सो
सही
लैंग्वेज
बात।
हमको जो फॉरेन लैंग्वेज है, खासकर सबसे ज्यादा जो लर्निंग कम्युनिटी है वो स्पेनिश की है। सो
जी
पूरे
जी
कम से कम 12 से 15 कंट्रीज है जो लैटिन अमेरिका में है और उनको हमारे एजुकेशन की, हमारे गणित की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है। तो उन तक हम लोग अगर स्पेनिश सीख लें तो इजीली हम लोग उनको उनकी भाषा में पढ़ा सकते हैं। यूरोप में
सही।
समस्या ये आती है कि हर एक कंट्री की अपनी भाषा है, खाली खाली ओनली जो
हाँ,
ब्रिटेन है
अलग अलग
वो अंग्रेजी बोलता है, फ्रांस के लोग फ्रेंच बोलते हैं, जर्मन के लोग जर्मन बोलते हैं।
जी
एशिया
जी
में खासकर मिडिल ईस्ट तक आप अफगानिस्तान से लेके कंबोडिया तक या वियतनाम तक आराम से अंग्रेजी में आप पढ़ा सकते हैं। चाइना में थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है कि चाइनीज सीखना भी मुश्किल है और चाइनीज लोगों को पढ़ाना भी मुश्किल है। फिलहाल तो हमारी आर्मी उनको रोकने की कोशिश कर रही है।
जी जी
तो हम लोग हम श्योर दैट कि अगर हमको किसी भी देश की संस्कृति और उसकी शासन व्यवस्था को अगर प्रभावित करना है तो हमें जो है अपना एजुकेशन वहां पर देना पड़ेगा। और भारत एक भाग्यशाली देश है जिसके पास सबसे पुराना कंटेंट है। किसी भी देश के पास हमसे ज्यादा पुराना कंटेंट नहीं है।
सही बात है।
तो हमारे पास जो ज्ञान है वो मोस्टली किसी दूसरे देश के पास नहीं है। हाँ, ये बात अलग है कि दूसरे देशों ने हमारे ज्ञान का जल्दी इस्तेमाल किया है, हम लोग उतना नहीं कर पाए।
इस्तेमाल कर लिया। हाँ जी,
राइट।
उस पर
तो
रिसर्च भी की
अभी
उन्होंने।
हाँ, आपका इंजीनियर जर्मनी का अच्छा हो सकता है या टेक्नोलॉजी कहीं की जापान की अच्छी हो सकती है, लेकिन शिक्षक तो भारत का ही अच्छा होता है।
शिक्षक बात
क्योंकि शिक्षकों की फैक्ट्री नहीं होती।
जी जी
न तो यूरोप वाले जो है कब कब तक जो है फैक्ट्री में कई
कर
शिक्षकों को पैदा कर चुके होते हैं। ठीक है
सही
ना?
सही बात है।
तो ये अच्छी बात है कि शिक्षकों की फैक्ट्री नहीं होती, इसलिए भारत के शिक्षकों को पूरी दुनिया में ऑनलाइन पढ़ाने का बहुत अच्छा मौका है। और मुझे आशा है कि हमारे भारत के शिक्षक, चाहे प्रोफेसर हो, डीन हो, प्रिंसिपल हो, वो अपने ज्ञान का उपयोग विश्व के हर एक बच्चे तक पहुंचाने का या पढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। और हम लोग ये
कोशिश
मानते
करते
हैं कि विश्व के हर एक बच्चे को भारतीय ज्ञान लेने का हक है और
जी
उसको
जी
वो हक देने की जवाबदारी हमारे शिक्षकों की है। और
जी
हमारे
जी
शिक्षक जरूर वो हक जो है उन बच्चों को दिलाएंगे ताकि
सही बात।
वो लोग प्रकृति और संस्कृति के ज्यादा करीब आ सके।
संस्कृति से
राइट।
समझ
पूरे
सके।
एजुकेशन सिस्टम में प्रकृति और संस्कृति मिसिंग है और हमें उसी प्रकृति और संस्कृति के माध्यम से ही पूरी दुनिया में जाना है। क्योंकि हम लोग प्रकृति का सबसे ज्यादा ज्ञान हमारे पास है और संस्कृति सबसे ज्यादा पुरानी हमारी है।
हमारी है
हमारे
हिंदुस्तान की।
यहाँ एक शहर है बनारस। तो
जी जी
बनारस इज ओल्डर देन हिस्ट्री, वो इतिहास से भी पुराना है। तो
जी
और
जी
जो शहर है माना पेरिस है या लंदन है, न्यूयॉर्क है या कोई भी अन्य शहर है दूसरे देशों का, उनका अपना एक इतिहास है।
जी जी
लेकिन बनारस तो इतिहास से भी पुराना है।
इतिहास से भी पुराना है।
So this is the older than history. So our culture and our knowledge and our wisdom is older than history. So we are
जी जी
proud of that. And खासकर जब कोविड है और जब टेक्नोलॉजी के कारण युद्ध की स्थिति पूरी दुनिया में चल रही है, तो भारतीय ज्ञान है जो युद्ध से पूरी दुनिया को बचा सकता है और भारतीय शिक्षक है जो हर एक बच्चे को सही दिशा दे सकता है। क्योंकि भारतीय शिक्षक इमोशनली अटैच होता है। भारतीय शिक्षक इमोशनली अटैच होता है जो अन्य देशों के शिक्षक नहीं होते। सो ये ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन हमारी गुरु शिष्य परंपरा और हमारे भारतीय ज्ञान को विश्व में पहुंचाने में मददगार साबित होगा, ऐसी मेरी भावना है। सो इसके कारण ही हम लोग ये वर्चुअल लर्निंग को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं एंड टू प्रमोट इंडियन एजुकेटर, प्रमोट इंडियन विजडम। thank you for attending this. Now we are announcing the awards. I think our list is ready.
Thank you, sir.
Any other question
Thank you.
want to say? Yeah, please. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी आपकी टीम का, पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Yes, sir. We are लगे हैं, हमारा काम है शिक्षकों को जितना भी उनके उपयोगी हो सके. We are here to contribute as much as we can.
जी जी जी।
So now we
बहुत बहुत
are.
धन्यवाद।
चाहूंगी रावत सर।
Yes, sir, ma'am.
रावत सर, एक चीज और ऐड करना चाहूंगी।
Yes, ma'am.
कि हम शिक्षक के साथ साथ एक ही टाइम पे हम शिक्षक भी रह सकते हैं और स्टूडेंट भी रह सकते हैं।
Yes, yes, yes.
पढ़ा भी सकते हैं और पढ़ भी सकते हैं।
Yes, yes.
सही मैम, every day we are learning.
Without being learner, you cannot become an educator.
Yes. मैं अभी आपका शेयर करती हूँ, मेरी जिंदगी में कभी मेरा ड्राइंग अच्छा नहीं था। ठीक है, ड्यूरिंग द कोविड टाइम जब मैंने वर्चुअल लर्निंग प्रोसेस के थ्रू गई और वो किया और सीखा, आई एम today making Tanjore paintings, I am making Kerala mural painting, I am making Dhokra arts and Madhubanis, जो मेरे को शायद नाम भी नहीं सुने थे मैंने जिंदगी में कभी। मतलब इतना सब कुछ मैं सीख पा रही हूँ जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वर्चुअल लर्निंग। मैं कहीं जाके ड्राइंग नहीं सीख सकती, लेकिन वर्चुअल लर्निंग से मैं घर बैठ के सारी पेंटिंग वर्क सीख पा रही हूँ। सो दिस इज आल्सो अ वेरी गुड।
You are making difference, and these are the awardees, the teacher जिनकी स्टोरी हमारे पास आई और जिन्होंने हमारे जूरी मेंबर को इंस्पायर किया। उसमें सबसे पहले है मिस्टर अरुण कनेत डिसूजा, इज अ डॉन बॉस्को इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल, उडुपी, कर्नाटका। We have Mr. Dr. Subrata Chattopadhyay, UEM, University of EM, the Kolkata, West Bengal, and Mansi Sharma, the Ma Anandamayi Memorial School, Delhi. Amit Goplani, Malviya Convent School, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Rajesh Kumar Patidar, Sri Academy, Indore, UP. Manjula Dogra, Modern Sandipani School, Pathankot, Punjab. Prashant Singhal, Dr. Prashant Singhal, Nityam Educational Council, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Khurshid Ahmed Kar, High School, Mitri Gam, Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir. And Dr. Lovely Balasaria Saha, Delhi Public School, New Town, Kolkata. Dr. Kurpakar Batari, the Srivani Techno School, Siddipet, Telangana. And Mittal St. Xavier's School, Rajkot, Gujarat. And Yogita Bhavana Vidyalaya, Panchkua. And Sweta Somavansi, UPS Jansaman Dadri, GB Nagar, Noida, UP, Gautam Budh Nagar, Noida, UP. So these are the 13 educators who have selected for award. But every teacher who has shared their story with us, that they made the difference, will be sending your certificate by post, as well as the will be sending a copy, soft copy to you. And I'm sure that we are proud of you. You are making difference, and it makes us proud that yes, our teachers are doing great, and we'll be sharing your story to the world, with the many universities. So these universities may approach you what exactly you are doing, because universities are developing curriculum for education, for the online teaching, online training. So these universities may reach out to you how you are making difference. So if you wish to share more story with us, we'll be happy, because it will be continue. We want to this is we have given only around 10 days for this program, but we want to continue it. Please share more story with us, and we wish to present you to the world. So thank you to all awardees, and thank you to all educators, inspiring educators. You are inspiring story, and I'm sure that you are the proud of nation, and the nation is proud of you, because you are making difference in the testing time. So thank you very much. Thanks to all. I'm ending my session over here.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, sir.